It's got a Delkevic exhaust on it, so it sounds beautiful. Nice.
The Kawasaki Vulcan S650 is a lightweight, high-revving cruiser. It's got a very light clutch and mid-controls. Although its 650cc engine isn't that powerful, its high-revving nature and lightweight give this bike a formidable power-to-weight ratio. It's very easy to go quick on the Vulcan S. The Triumph Speed Twin 1200 has a much larger engine than the Vulcan S. It has way more horsepower, way more torque, and it's also much lighter than the Vulcan S. It's got an arguably lighter clutch than the Vulcan S, and its ergonomics are more ideal for spirited riding. In this case, I had a really good launch on the Vulcan S, and at the same time, I had a very poor launch on the Speed Twin. Even with a poor launch, the Speed Twin still went from 0 to 60 a little quicker. In most cases, the Vulcan S won't stand a chance to the Speed Twin. However, it goes to show that a good launch can make up for a lack of power. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more like this, like and subscribe.